communication is very important. So we talk a lot in the team at Lucida, between the development team, between the people that are doing support and sales. That's one thing, being very clear about what the needs of the customers are and how we translate them into an actual product. We try to be very transparent in that throughout the whole development flow. This is how we deal with this. Everybody's very passionate about it. You feel that this is the first time you're going to introduce a visual identity to how our products look like. I feel we are contributing to the field of photonics in many ways with this release of IPCIS Canvas, not only in the conceptual phase, in the creation phase, but also in the verification phase. In terms of the vision of our product, that has always been to move towards first-time right design, and I feel with this product we are getting one step closer. So this makes me really feel proud, because this is something that we have been envisioning for a long time, getting us one step closer towards that vision, so that makes me really happy.
The whole development process was customer driven, but when I say customer, I don't strictly speak about the customers that are external to our team and to our company. I also speak about people who are internally using our application, and their feedback and their pain points more specifically were very valuable in the beginning. So what we've tried is to come up with a solution for a set of common pain points across the community and across different teams that we've been talking with. But it was a great process. I've enjoyed very much working with my colleagues. I've enjoyed very much talking with people and trying to summarize their common pain points. And I'm happy to continue doing so and looking forward to the future.
I remember one time we went to do a customer interview in person. We went in there with some ideas about which were the most important features, which angle did we want to use to bring this product to the market. And after the meeting, like our world kind of imploded. Like, okay, now what do we do now? Because the feedback we got from the customer went in an entirely different direction. And we sat down and we said, okay, now we need to regroup and think about how to move forward from here. And I think we managed. I think one of my favorite moments was one time we were sitting at the office. We have a room at the office called Silent Room, where typically people work without making noise, but as you know, it's not always the case. So that day, at some point, Misha and Stan, which were two of our main developers working on IPCIS Canvas, were discussing in the background, and then I heard them discussing about colors, so I went there to see what was going on, and they were having like a really heavy discussion about which color to choose for connections in IPCIS Canvas. So, and Stan was really passionate about it, and it had been a discussion going on already for a couple of weeks, I think, and it really made me laugh because it seems like something trivial, but I think it really goes to show how passionate people behind the development of this product were about even the tiniest details.
IPCIS Canvas was most definitely a team effort, so everyone put in quite a lot of work. Obviously, we had quite a lot of people from the actual photonics side of Lucida that gave a lot of feedback for the domain-specific issues, but then also from a software development perspective, we had quite a lot of input from a lot of different people in terms of how to implement it. Also, the actual technology we used was quite new to everyone, so it was really like a learning experience for all of us. Definitely think it's quite cool to be able to say, okay, I made an impact on the field of photonics, both academically and professionally, and I hope that it will not be a small impact. I hope that we really revolutionize the field.